Hello student, welcome to your online classes. Today we will discuss exercise of lesson 2. First we will discuss fill in the blanks, then true and false, then application based questions, and the last take the right answer. First question is fill in the blanks. Number 1. The is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the screen. Answer is task bar. On desktop, at the bottom of your screen, long bar is called taskbar. Number 2. The middle section of the taskbar is known as the answer is quick launch bar. There are 3 sections on the taskbar: start button, quick launch bar and notification area. Number 3. Battery status can be seen on the taskbar in the area. Battery status students, I told you there are 3 sections. So battery status you can see in notification area. Number 4. Are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application? Answer is application icons. 5. To customize the desktop, right click on the blank area and select the answer is personalize. When we want to change our desktop setting, we have to right click on the blank area of our desktop and select the personalize option. Number 6. A dash icon has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. That is called shortcut. Yes, which icon has a small arrow, that is called jump arrow, because that is the route to go to their original location. That is called shortcut icon. Question number 2. B. State true or false. Number 1. Quick launch bar is present between the start button and the notification area. Yes, it is true, because quick launch bar, it is the middle section of the taskbar. Number 2. You can customize the taskbar to best suits your need. Yes, it is also true students, because in taskbar you can set according to your needs. Number 3. Speaker icon is present on the quick launch bar. No, it is false. Speaker icon is present on the notification area. So it is false. Number 4. Notification area provides an easy and quick way to open the programs. No students, we can open our program from the quick launch bar. For the easy and quick way to open our programs, that programs are present in quick launch bar. So it is also false. Number 5. The shortcut menu is also called the context menu. Yes, it is true. In chapter 2, the last heading was about shortcut menu is also called context menu. So it is true. Number 6. The options present in the start menu provide access to the main program to the computer. So students, it is also true, because from the start menu we can go to our programs. We have to click on a start button and then choose program, and then we go to our programs. Question number 3. Application based questions. Number 1. Sumit uses Paint program quite frequently. Where should he place the icon, the program so that he can quickly open it with a single click? Answer is Quick Launch Bar. Students, in taskbar there are three sections: Start, Quick Launch Bar and Notification area. In Quick Launch Bar, we keep the programs which we want again and again use. So, the answer is Quick Launch Bar. Number 2. Ridhima wants to customize the Windows setup. Suggest her the option which she can select from the context menu. What Ridhima wants? Ridhima wants to customize the Windows setup, students. She want to make changes in the desktop setting. So what she will do? She will select the personalize option from the context menu. Where she will click? She will right click on the desktop blank area and the menu will come that is called context menu, and in that menu she will select personalize option. Question number 4. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. Which folder holds the deleted file folders in a computer? Options are recycle bin, computer, documents. So students, the answer is recycle bin, because which file we deleted, that will go to the recycle bin, not in computer or document. And if we want to restore it again from the recycle bin, we can do. Number 2. The feature allow to turn the open windows transparent and make the desktop of the computer visible. Options is AeroPic, FlexiPic, TransPic. So answer is AeroPic. So students, if we want to make our option transparent, so we click on AeroPic. Number 3. The options arrange all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen of the bottom right in layers. Options are cascading window, multiple windows, layered windows. Answer is cascading windows. Yes, it is right answer. When we right click on the taskbar, the cascading option will come. If we click on the cascading option, then all the open programs that come in together. Number 4. While customizing the desktop, the option make the Windows class border, start menu and the taskbar transparent. Options are make transparency, show transparency, enable transparency. So students, answer is enable transparency. Using this option, we can make our glass border, start menu, taskbar in transparent mode. Number 5. The full form of GUI is. Options are graphical user interface, geometrical user interface, graphical unified interface. So answer is graphical user interface. So students, this is all about today, and in next video I will give you question answer of chapter 2, and this exercise you have to note down in your book and in your notebook also and learn it. Thank you for today.